So if you want to increase the if you want to increase this to be more structural, you need to change the element size. So here is the element size, and we can click on this and change it to 0, 0, let's say 9 right now to make it much smaller. As you see, we have now much smaller uh, structure from the inside of the geometry. You can do more for here, but the more you are getting smaller elements, it will increase the computational cost, like it will take more time. You can try it, but it will take more time. And also you have the nodes and elements. This is, as this is student version, you have a limitation. So be mindful about it. For now, this should be enough. We can click on hexa dominant to see how it looks like also. So here is it. Now if you are happy with this, for example, you can go with it. You have here more like you can capture the flow here, but I will go with the others. But you can also check here the skewness. Skewness it's 0.89 and it's here almost, but you have here also a lot of this deviation here. Let's check the quality. The quality here, it's good. On the beside the walls are good. Let's check the hexa core, but I want to check the statistics here. As you see, for this we have 67,000 nodes and 73,000 elements. So it's much more than what we had in the hexa core. I will apply this and click generate. I'm just showing you the differences right now. And here we can see it's the quality, it's maximum here and here, but beside the walls we have less equality. But how much less? The minimum it's 0.18 and it's here. But on the wall here we have a more better quality. Let's check the skewness. The maximum is 0.81 and it's located in this area. As I mentioned, you can do better, but you should be mindful, like, because if you increase the size elements, like we'll go 0.06 right now, and it will take more. Now we have 58,000, 98,000 elements also. So we click on generate. Now we have this size elements, and we increase the nodes to 100, over 100,000 nodes, and the elements also the same. We have 200,000, over 200,000. So it's really fine mesh, and so if you are happy with this, we can go with it. And that's all for the mesh. I will save the settings and close the mesh.